Right now, Kirsty is making the set deck for the next video. So, how do you choose what plant to put, Kirsty?
It's the same plant every time.
That's the trick. So explain what this is.
Well, you put the gold foil on, and then when you roll it, it separates the foil.
Pretty cool.
You get a cookie cutter.
So you poke a hole through it, and then you roll it again to make sure it's nice and smooth.
When you poke a hole through it, it gets a little squished. So I like to roll it again, and then poke the same hole one more time, and it goes through easier the second time because the hole's practically already there. And then that way you end up with a much rounder bead. In this, out. So this one's just gonna have 3 on here, and then I'm gonna hook it to that one.
Alright. Right before you hook it, just hold it for a second. Where would you use these?
Honestly, I wouldn't even put them on my keys. They ended up way too cute. I would totally put them on like my bag or my purse.
Yeah, they're really nice.
They'll be the world's tiniest bird.
Yep.